Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdek. I am Chimthanawala. Today let us discuss a very important remedy. Important in the sense because I know that there will be a lot of cases coming to you in the clinic regarding the side effects of vaccination. There are a lot of effects of vaccination and we are confused what to give and what not to give in a lot of patients. So today let me discuss one remedy, very important remedy, everybody knows it, but I had a case where the patient suffered from a lot of pain in the abdomen after vaccination. And the pain did not go. He did a lot of reports, a lot of scans, everything was normal. Still, the pain did not go. And I prescribed the remedy Thuja. Thuja 200 single dose, and the pain vanished like it was not there. So the remedy was Thuja occidentalis, a very, very important remedy for elements of vaccination, especially if the patient complains about pain in the abdomen after vaccination. You must think about Thuja occidentalis. This led me to know other symptoms of stomach symptoms of Thuja that are very important to understand. And the first symptom that you should remember is a Thuja patient. In a Thuja patient, the stomach is most of the time disorders by eating onion. Whenever the patient eats onion, the stomach is disordered. In this, you have to remember two, three very, very important remedies. The first being Lycopodium, pulsatilla, and of course Thuja. This is very important in Thuja. Secondly, there is nausea. You must have seen a lot of remedies where having nausea from the smell of food, and Thuja is one of it. We normally fail to forget the remedy Thuja, but Thuja is one of the very important remedies when there is nausea from the smell of food, like colchicum, arsenic, cocculus, digitalis also, ipecac also. All these remedies have nausea feeling from the smell of the food. In fact, nausea from even thinking of food also is indication of Thuja. Whenever the patient thinks about food, he gets nausea. So in this respect, you have to remember Thuja with a colchicum, cocculus, china, arsenic, sepia. These are the very important symptoms of Thuja stomach disorders. As you go further, Thuja has a very, very important symptom of a movement in the abdomen, as if fetus. Movement as if fetus is there in the abdomen, and that is a very, very important symptom. It is written in the Mater Medica, the patient feels as if the fist of the fetus, means fist of the fetus is moving in the abdomen, or motion of a fist of a fetus in the abdomen. Very, very similar symptoms you will get in sulfur also and natrum carb also. But Thuja stands out of the list. That is Thuja. Or it is written also that that there is a movement in the abdomen as if something is jumping. That is also Thuja occidentalis. You have to differentiate the movement. That is important. Something alive in the abdomen, jumping in the abdomen. That's also Thuja. Or jumping sensation in the abdomen, or something jumping in the abdomen. Thuja. Crocus sativa also is a very, very important remedy. And opium. Opium is also indicated when there is symptoms as if jumping in the abdomen. This is important of Thuja. Next, as you go further, a Thuja patient classically has a pain in the right iliac region. In the right iliac region, there is pain, and the pain extends down to the thighs. Whenever if you get a symptom, you have to remember one remedy, that is Thuja, and one remedy that we always think about, especially when there is pain, and it is because of the renal colic. The pain is in the right iliac fossa, which extend down to the thighs. The remedy, of course, you have to remember is Berberis vulgaris. But Thuja also is a very, very important remedy for pain in the iliac region, which extends down to the thighs. In fact, Thuja is a very important symptom, that is the pain in the left inguinal region. Pain in the left inguinal region, which extends to the axilla. See, the right iliac fossa extends down to the thighs, but the left inguinal region, the pain extends to the axilla. This is also Thuja. Both see the difference of symptoms. Right side extend down to the thighs, Thuja and Berberis vulgaris. Pain in the left inguinal region, which extend upward to the axilla, Thuja. And a very, very important remedy, that is again with Thuja, compare that with natrum sulph. This is also a very, very important indication of Thuja. Now, of course, there are a lot of other symptoms of Thuja apart from this symptom that is given in books, but these are very, very important symptoms which I have found useful in Thuja. Of course, there is one more symptom that you have to remember in Thuja. I told you one symptom of Thuja, that is pain in the abdomen after vaccination, very, very important. In this type, there is a very, very important symptom in Thuja also, that there is something alive sensation, especially in the right iliac region. That is also Thuja. And if you see the Mater Medica, this is the remedy in which it is given, and it is a 3 marking symptom, only indication of Thuja. That is alive sensation, especially in the right iliac region. As you go further, you have to remember some important symptoms of Thuja also. That is basically distension during colic. The abdomen is distended during colic. The patient says there's a lot of pain in the abdomen and the abdomen is distended. So whenever the abdomen is distended during colic, you have to remember the remedy Thuja. Or the patient can also describe a ball sensation in the right side, in the hypogastric region, right hypogastric region. That is also Thuja. So we see right hypogastric region, ball sensation, alive sensation in the right iliac region, or the pain in the right iliac region extended down to thighs. That is also Thuja. Now this is a very, very important symptom of Thuja, which I have told you, this alive sensation. As you go further, it is said that a Thuja patient in the abdomen has warts. Warts on the abdomen, and the color of the warts is very, very peculiar of Thuja, that is brown. So if you get these type of symptoms, these are the very, very important indication of Thuja related to stomach. So I just started the remedy, the Thuja, with pain in the stomach after vaccination, and with this symptom only, because this symptom will get lots in your practice. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.